Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 leaks reveal a stunningly slim redesign, and I'm all for it. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a game changer. And if the latest leaks are anything to go by, we could be looking at the company's most refined foldable yet. The details, courtesy of the reputable insider OnLeaks via Android headlines, suggest that Samsung is making some bold moves with the next-gen foldable, bringing it closer than ever to ultra-thin rivals like the Oppo Find N5. One of the most exciting changes? A dramatically slimmer body. When unfolded, the Z Fold 7 is expected to measure 4 millimeters, 0.17 inches thick, and when folded, it will be around 9.5 millimeters, 0.37 inches at its thickest point, including the camera bump. Without the camera module, the folded thickness is likely closer to 9. But wait, 99.4% of you watching aren't subscribed. If you enjoy my content, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the latest updates. 9mm flat, making it significantly sleeker than its predecessor. To put that in perspective, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 measures 5.6 millimeters when open and 12.1 millimeters when closed, meaning the upcoming model will be noticeably thinner and more refined in hand. But Samsung isn't stopping at just shaving off millimeters. The brand is also pushing screen sizes further than ever. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to boast an 8.2-inch inner display, making it the largest inner screen ever seen on a foldable. That surpasses the current record holder, Oppo's Find N5, which maxes out at 8.12 inches. The cover display is also getting an upgrade, coming in at 6.5 inches, making it more immersive for everyday use. Despite these impressive dimensions, Samsung's upcoming device won't quite take the crown for the thinnest foldable overall. That title still belongs to the Oppo Find N5, which comes in at 4.2 millimeters when unfolded. However, the Fold 7's refined design should make it one of the most comfortable and practical foldables on the market. According to Android headlines, the phone's unfolded dimensions will be 158.4 by 143.1 by 4.5 millimeters, 6.2 by 5.6 by 0.17 inches. While the report doesn't explicitly state the folded dimensions, looking at previous models gives us a rough estimate. The Galaxy Z Fold 6, for instance, shrinks by about 48% when closed, suggesting that the Fold 7 could measure around 158.4 by 68.7 by 9.5 millimeters when folded. Under the hood, Samsung isn't expected to make massive leaps, but the Fold 7 should still pack some serious power. It's rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, an evolution of Qualcomm's top-tier processors, along with the familiar 4,400 mAh battery, a capacity Samsung has stuck with in its recent foldable lineups. While this leak focuses primarily on the design and dimensions, it raises plenty of questions about what other upgrades Samsung might have in store. Could we see improvements to the hinge mechanism? Will there be enhancements to the S Pen experience? And most importantly, how will the thinner build affect durability? If Samsung manages to balance these factors while keeping the phone ultra slim and premium, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be one of the most exciting foldables yet.